Morning, it is Thursday, October 18th. I am getting ready to head into town to do a couple insurance claims looks and photo sessions, and then get my hours on that on-demand app work and see how that goes. It's going to be raining all weekend. Then also have the ghost tour to do tonight. 6:30, I think, and yeah, so it's a busy day already. Ate a duck egg and sausage croissant and feeling the pains. So it's definitely duck eggs. It's been causing me my grief. I guess they're expired, so I don't know. Anyhow, it is what it is, right?
Watching over you so constantly.
It's an interesting afternoon. I did a look at noon, and it went pretty well. It took only 15 minutes, and then I was supposed to go drive to Mount Vernon for another look, and turned out that it disappeared out of my app. And I called them, and they said, "Oh, the client canceled it." I said, "Oh, thanks for informing me." So I went to Starbucks and worked on video blogs and client web work. Had a mocha crumble. Too big of a lineup at the counter, so I just did a mobile order and got it pretty quick. And then I had a business meeting with It's Worth It. So anyways, it's 5:30 now. At 6:30 I'm doing the ghost tour. Billing.